Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today I want to share with you guys what I did to supplement my 9 to 5 job. Okay, as we know, everyone who is working at a 9 to 5 is not okay with his or her job. Okay, you need something to add up. Okay, yeah, so I want to share with you how you can also get something in addition, maybe a side hustle or a business in addition to your 9 to 5. That's how you'll be able to get a side hustle to add to your 9 to 5, because the salary from the 9 to 5 is not something to write home about. You need something to supplement, especially in Ghana here, and I believe so it is also in Nigeria also. Mine wasn't enough and I did something about it, so it's high time you do something about your salary. Okay? And that is what I'm going to share with us today. Please, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Okay, and if you have been following us and you have subscribed already, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So I'm here to share with you what I did to supplement my 9 to 5 job. Some of you might know I'm a nurse by profession, and of course my salary is not enough, so I need something to add up. I need something that is going to help me financially. Okay, that is going to supplement my salary. So before that, you need to see what do you want to do in addition to your 9 to 5. Okay, let's discuss about that. What do you want to do? Because it's not everybody that can actually go into what I am doing. You can actually have something that you can do, and it's something that I cannot do as a nurse or as a mom of 3 or 4 children and all that. Okay, so yes, you have to look at your situation first to be able to tell whether you will be able to do this kind of side hustle, this kind of business or not. Okay, and there are just two things to look at, or maybe 3 factors to look at for you to be able to select your side hustle. Okay, so the number one thing is to check if you have affection for whatever you want to start. Or let's say somebody who just tell you can start this particular business. Maybe you can start importation business, maybe you can start food business, you can start food processing, but you have to look into it. Do you really have interest in importation? Do you really have interest in food production? Do you really have interest in food processing? Like that. Okay, the interest is very crucial. Okay, it's very crucial. And then the second factor for you to look at is also if you have the time. Okay, if you are available to do that particular job, or that particular side hustle that you want to start. Okay, are you available? Because you already have a 9 to 5 job, and of course you know the time that you are going to work and the time that you are going to close from work. What time are you going to designate for that particular side hustle that you want to start? You have to look at that one also. And the last one that I looked at is like the market. Okay, or you have to look at if that side hustle or that business is going to benefit some people, a group of people. Okay, if it's going to solve a problem, is it going to benefit a group of people, is it going to solve a problem in the community? You have to look at that also, because it's very crucial. And as I always talk to my friends, that is the first thing I always tell them. Whatever you want to start, is it really going to solve a problem? Is it really going to help somebody? Is it going to help somebody solve a problem and all that? Okay, so yes, sorry for that, guys. So yes, so for me, or to me, my side hustle, I started with Tom Brown production, to which most of you already know that I do most, on this channel. Okay, I started with Tom Brown production, and I didn't just get up to start from Tom Brown production. Something triggered my my reason for starting Tom Brown production. Okay, though I had the knowledge earlier, but I wasn't using it as a business, but there's something triggered it. Okay, I find that most of the time my colleagues or some people will be like, oh, my child is not eating, my child is not gaining weight, this and that, relating to children, inability to get nutritious food and all that. And I was like, wow, Tom Brown is really, I always advise them to get Tom Brown for them. So like, as I always keep advising people to prepare Tom Brown, mixing this cereal and mixing this cereal, and I saw it to be like a good business idea if I start producing it myself to sell, and then mothers are really going to love it. Okay, and that is the reason I said you have to find a reason for your business. You have to find if your business is really going to solve a problem. Okay, and yes, that is how I started my Tom Brown production. Okay, to solve a problem, and it's also of course going to put money in my hand. Okay, it's going to help mothers, instead of them to start producing the Tom Brown flour themselves and all that. I have taken that that donkey job on myself to be able to produce the Thom Browne for them. Okay, I'm solving their problem, and of course they are going to pay me for that. Okay, so yes, that is the third point that you have to look at before you start your side hustle. My other what do you call it, side hustle that I did also, yes, if you think your 9 to 5 job is not enough for you, it mustn't just be one. Okay, but then if you are going to add another side hustle to your businesses, okay, you have to give the first one time. You don't have to start like 2 businesses, 3 businesses at a go. 4, some people just start this selling this at the same time. No, you have to build a brand. Okay, you have to build that business, that first one that you've started. Okay, yes, because you don't know whether it's really you are really going to do well in that particular business or not, but you have to give it time, give it your all to make sure that that business is really going to stand on its feet before you venture into any other side hustle or into any other business. Okay, so that is what I did Thom Browne for like 5 years or so before I started importation also. Yes, so that's my second side hustle. Okay, my second side hustle that I do, I started mini importation. Okay, and basically I asked all the other rules that I mentioned earlier, all the other factors that you have to look in before you start a business or a side hustle really applies to this particular importation business as well. I looked at all those factors. Okay, yes, just look at me. Don't you like this dress? I imported this dress. Okay, so yes, as I'm a lady who likes to make myself look good, and I know other ladies are around me also who wants to look good and all that, decent clothing, looking good, and then still being decent. Okay, I find it, I mean, I took it upon myself to start mini importation of decent clothing, something like this and then something like that. Okay, yes, I imported them, and of course I looked at people around me that I think I'm going to get a market. Okay, you don't have to start a business that you don't know where your market is coming from. Okay, you have to see, do you have the market around, the people around you, do they really need it? It's very, very important for you to look at before you start that particular business. Okay, or a side hustle. So there's something again that I always import, that is solving problems. Okay, I import bed covers. You can see this, okay, those are bed covers which is water resistant. Okay, so mothers often have a problem of their kids weeing on bed, getting their mattress soaked with wee or vomiting on their mattresses and all that. It is something that have started selling or importing and selling that is really helping a lot of mothers. Okay, solving problems. Yes, mothers saw this product and they were like, wow, this is what I really need at this point, because I have a toddler, I have a child who is always weaving on the bed, on the mattress, making it soaked and untidy and all that. Okay, so that particular product is just a must for every mother. It's just a must for every mother to have. Okay, aside the waterproof resistant bed sheets, I also get people to produce this for me, which is washable diapers. Okay, as you know, diapers nowadays is very, very expensive. Okay, so if you can produce something that you can actually wash and reusable diapers, why not? I get somebody to produce for me, and of course it's solving problems. So the purpose of this video is to let you guys know that you can actually do something in addition to your 9 to 5. Okay, and I mentioned a lot of factors such as how to get a suitable business idea to supplement your 9 to 5, the factors that involve and all those things, because nowadays the 9 to 5 salary is not really helping, and you need to supplement it. Okay, and that is exactly what I did. So I'm wishing all of you who is going to watch the video and also start a side hustle to supplement the salary that he or she is already earning, I'm wishing you all the best. Okay, and whichever business that you want to start and you need my advice on that business, please comment below and I might make a video for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it has given you tips on how to start or what to start. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.